Hey everyone, welcome to Danny V's food blog titled Food Conversations and Adventures blog. So, yeah, I am an active food blogger and influencer that absolutely loves eating. I've always been interested in trying new foods in Toronto, staying in tune with what's new and trendy here locally in Toronto. But when I travel, I love immersing myself into the food culture of the places I visit, seeing locals prepare the food, talking to the locals on the different dishes they cook, and trying some delicious dishes created by them in these small villages and towns. So I wanted to create a blog to share my stories as it relates to how food has brought people together, how food has been used as a mechanism to create some very interesting dialogue and conversations both here in Canada and throughout my travels around the world from different countries. Certainly COVID has changed and shaped the way we connect with people through dining in and all these lockdown measures. So I want to be able to produce these posts as it relates to food and around the world so that people are aware that we have such a diverse scene, not just in Toronto, but around the world too. So here's my food blog. This is my latest blog here, food, technology, and social media. Some of my previous blogs you can read as well, including the landscape of food and diversity in Toronto. We also have life as a food blogger emerges when I started to be a blogger as well. And the first blog that I wrote for this course, Food, Togetherness, and Conversations, how it all began when it comes to bringing people and food together at one table. So I'm just going to show you my blog. We here have our home page, gives you a summary of why I started this blog as it relates to sharing my story on how food has brought people together. A little bit about me here, my journey, a little bit about myself. Now, this blog is a personal blog, written, edited by me. All the content and written work is my own. And just a disclaimer here as well that I do not receive any compensation for the blog post. If I do, it will be noted in the blog post here. And this is where the blogs will be posted. Yeah, there's me at a Chinese New Year dinner. Um, Me enjoying all the festivities and the food here. And other parts of my blog page, we just have a calendar here, search bar right here if you're looking for a specific blog post or article. Connect on social media. There's Facebook and Instagram as well. And yeah, that is my food blogger page. Definitely check it out. Thank you for watching.